What is a breakpoint?
A breakpoint is a tool used in debugging code. By setting a breakpoint, you tell your program to pause or stop running at a specific line. This lets you examine what's happening in the program at that moment, making it easier to find and fix bugs. Breakpoints are commonly found in integrated development environments, or IDEs.
Why use breakpoints?
Breakpoints help you track down problems in your code quickly. Instead of guessing what's causing an error or endlessly adding print statements, you can pause your program exactly where things might be going wrong. This lets you inspect variables, step through your logic, and understand unexpected behavior.
How to set a breakpoint?
Setting a breakpoint is usually very simple. In most IDEs, just click on the line number next to the code where you want your program to pause. A red dot or marker will appear, indicating the breakpoint. You can add as many breakpoints as you want when troubleshooting complex issues.
Running your program with breakpoints.
Once your breakpoints are set, run your program in debug mode. When execution reaches a breakpoint, the program stops. The IDE will show you the current line and let you view variable values. From here, you can step through your code line by line, helping you spot exactly where things go wrong.
Removing and managing breakpoints.
When you're done debugging, you can remove breakpoints. Just click the marker again, or use the IDE's menu to clear all breakpoints at once. Managing breakpoints allows you to focus on specific parts of your code without unwanted interruptions, making debugging smooth and efficient.